Hi everyone! You are watching the How to Buy Axon, a series of practical tech tips from our software engineers on how to make your IT product sharper for competitors and better for customers. My name is Alina and today we're gonna talk about integrating SendGrid into your application. SendGrid is a leading cloud-based platform assisting businesses with mail delivery. The company states its customers are set up for success with a proven result of 97% delivery rate. Integrating SendGrid into your application can enable reliable and scalable communication with your users. It offers flexibility with developer-focused APIs and documentation, intuitive UI for painless email program management, experienced email support and strategic customer success. Our new software guide includes a step-by-step instruction on SendGrid integration. We share our best practices and explain common pitfalls that can derail your efforts. Don't let the complexities of email integration hold you back. Dive into our easy-to-follow guidance for excellent open rates.